Dispatchable generation is critical to keeping electricity reliable. Because of member load growth in western North Dakota, a Basin Electric team will investigate building a generating facility. The team is looking at the potential of an additional natural gas-fueled power plant to be located within the Southwest Power Pool footprint, to be completed close to the year 2030. The location would best be in proximity to member load, in an area near reliable transmission and fuel supply, water availability, and area for potential carbon capture and storage in the future. Matt Ehrman is Vice President of Engineering and Construction and says environmental permitting, lead time for equipment, and more takes years. So investigation now is important.
Because it takes so long to develop a project of this size, we knew we needed to begin now to be able to get all those steps done, to get the project development done, to get the details defined enough to provide detailed costs for the facility, to be able to evaluate the self-build option with all of the other options that are available. There's other efforts underway to evaluate the other efforts. The planning department issues RFPs and they evaluate purchase power agreements. Others building facilities. There's things you can do on the demand response side of things. So there's other alternatives to self-build that get evaluated, and ultimately the kind of the least cost resource to serve the growing load would be selected, and the teams would eventually move forward with the selected option.
The team will spend about 1 year evaluating the addition of a facility to Basin Electric's fleet.